It is celebrated on 12th July annually to make people aware of the pollution caused due to plastic and the serious threat that it poses to the natural environment. Plastic waste take thousands of years to decompose. Therefore, it is important to understand that ill effects of single-use plastic bags. Paper bags are made from renewable raw material, are recyclable and biodegradable. No doubt, they are strong and are used to almost all occasions. Several people are using bags every day made up of paper that helps in curbing environmental pollution. Due to globalization, climate change, and scarcity of raw material, people are adopting sustainable lifestyle choices, and paper bag is one of them. It reduces the use of plastic bag which cause pollution and are non-biodegradable. No doubt, using a paper bag is an important cornerstone to preserve our planet for future generations because paper bags are biodegradable in several countries. Paper bags day is celebrated on different dates. Let's us tell you that in 1852 an American inventor Francis Woolley established the first paper bag machine. Further, in 1871, Margaret E. Knight designed another machine that can produce flat-bottom paper bags. She became famous and came to be known as the mother of the grocery bag. In 1983, Charles Stilwell invented the machine that can produce square-bottom paper bags with plate side, making them easier to fold and store. In 1912, Walter T. Bonner used a code to reinforce paper bags and added carrying handles. Over the years, several inventors came and improved the production of paper bags. Using paper bags is eco-friendly. Packaging in paper bags is considered upmarket and classy. Packaging in a simple bag and attractive printed paper bag will definitely give an edge of the product. Paper bags are made up of renewable resources and so are easily recyclable. Paper bags are biodegradable and do not leftover toxins. Paper bag can be used again and again with careful handling. Paper bag can be easily composted in a home composter. Paper bags are inexpensive and practical to use. Do you know that paper bags are made up of wood? That is why they can be recycled and easily converted into new paper, like newspaper, magazine, or books. The disadvantage of paper bags can be that they are too porous and carrying freezing food in a paper bag is difficult. Therefore, that wet strength of the paper bag is a bit poor. No doubt, using paper bag will help a lot to the environment, but yes, we should not waste paper or should not overdo it.